Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the while loop. Okay, so let's start by explaining while when actually we're gonna use this loop. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna start by creating a simple example. Okay, so let's just create a variable called number, which will be equal 6. Okay, let's press enter. And we have this number. So what we want to do is to try to kind of guess when we will have this number. So to do that, what we can do is do something like let's just create a infinite loop just to give you an idea on how this happens. So let's create a while loop. I'm gonna create one equal 1. Okay, we could do this. So we're gonna put a column and let's print I double quotes I am in a infinite loop. Close the double quotes, and if we execute we're gonna see that this over and over again. So let's cancel by holding Ctrl C. Okay, and I'm gonna drag this up. As you guys can see, we have printed I'm in a loop several times. So what happens over there? So what I just did was to assign a statement which was while 1 equals 1, which will be equal forever. So it will run forever like crazy. So what we need to do is to have some way to control the flow of the loop. To do that, we could do something like this. So let's create a variable called answer, which would be equal um let me think about something, avocado. So avocado, we have answer is equal avocado. So let's write a loop which will ask if someone's favorite fruit, and if it is avocado, if we're gonna need another variable which will be equal user response, which will be equal none, which means that is a non-variable, which means that it has no value currently. So let's just while uh, user response, we're gonna use is not answer. Okay, we could do this, I guess. I'm not sure because its statement is a little bit different, but I think it will work. So we're gonna read the user response, which will be equal um, user response will be equal input enter your favorite fruit. So um, that's it. That's just execute. Let's try apple. Let's try pineapple. Pineapple. As you guys can see, I am inside of the loop. But if I type avocado, yeah, I think I've just broke. Yeah, I think that's something wrong. Oh, okay. So let's just change a little bit because I'm using. Oh, okay. I see what I did there. So let's just change a little bit, and let's use the equal sign, which means that it is equal, like it's the same. Okay, it has the same value. So I've just didn't quite get the idea right here. Okay, so let's execute again. And this time it will eventually work. So let's try first with apple. Interesting. Okay, so what's wrong here? Let's try to investigate. Okay, so not while. Okay, so let's just change to avocado. Okay, avocado this way. Okay, let's try apple. Let's try pineapple. Let's try avocado. Yeah, this time it worked. So what I did wrong was to have a variable called answer, and the thing was that it needed to be different from avocado. So here I was trying to see if it is equal, and I was completely mistaken because I didn't quite think about it. So that's why I ended up with the bug, I would say. But as you guys can see, the program is actually saying something like this. While the user response is different than avocado, I'm gonna read the user response. Okay, if I do that, if the answer is avocado, this loop will break, and we will end up with exiting this loop. Okay, so that's how you could think about it. So this is very interesting. It is a very interesting topic. If you wanna dive in, you will find that it is very interesting because some bugs, some of the most famous bugs, happen while in loops. Okay, so you need to pay attention, as you guys can learn from this video, to what your thoughts are and how you can express an idea to the program. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, guys, and see you guys next time.